Welcome to Quiz Hub. Get ready to test your brain and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the primary function of red blood cells? A. Carry oxygen. B. Fight infection. C. Produce hormones. Correct answer, carry oxygen. RBCs contain hemoglobin, which transports oxygen. What is an archipelago? A. A single mountain. B. A group of islands. C. A chain of volcanoes. Correct answer, a group of islands. An archipelago is a cluster of islands like Indonesia or Japan. Which literary device is used in seashells by the seashore? A. Metaphor. B. Alliteration. C. Onomatopoeia. Correct answer, alliteration. The S sound repeats at the start of the words. What does GDP stand for? A. Gross domestic product. B. General domestic power. C. Government data point. Correct answer, gross domestic product. It measures total economic output of a country. The main component of biogas is A. Methane. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. Correct answer, methane. Methane forms about 60% of biogas composition. Which continent has no permanent human population? A. Antarctica. B. Asia. C. Europe. Correct answer, Antarctica. It's too cold for permanent settlement. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? A. Melting ice. B. Burning paper. C. Boiling water. Correct answer, burning paper. Burning paper produces new substances, carbon dioxide and ash. Which tense is used in the sentence, I have finished my work? A. Simple past. B. Present perfect. C. Future perfect. Correct answer, present perfect. It describes an action completed recently. The lowest layer of the atmosphere is A. Stratosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Mesosphere. Correct answer, troposphere. Weather and clouds occur in the troposphere. The mirror used in a car's side view is A. Plane mirror. B. Concave mirror. C. Convex mirror. Correct answer, convex mirror. Convex mirrors gives a wider field of view than a flat mirror. Which Indian scientist is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha. B. APJ Abdul Kalam. C. Vikram Sarabhai. Correct answer, APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam developed India's missile and space program. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. C.V. Raman. C. Mother Teresa. Correct answer, Rabindranath Tagore. He won in 1913 for literature. What is the antonym of transparent? A. Opaque. B. Translucent. C. Clear. Correct answer, opaque. Opaque objects don't allow light to pass through. The capital of Egypt is A. Cairo. B. Alexandria. C. Giza. Correct answer. Cairo is the largest city in the Arab world. The latitude of the North Pole is A. 0 degrees, B. 45 degrees, C. 90 degrees. Correct answer. 90 degrees. The North Pole is located at 90 degrees north latitude. Which energy source is renewable? A. Coal, B. Petroleum, C. Wind. Correct answer. Wind. Wind energy can be harnessed repeatedly without depletion. The word eco-friendly means A. Costly but stylish, B. Safe for the environment, C. Made by machines. Correct answer. Safe for the environment. Eco-friendly products reduce harm to the environment. The plural of criterion is A. Criterions, B. Criterias, C. Criteria. Correct answer. Criteria. Criteria is the correct plural form in English. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter. Correct answer. Venus. Venus and Earth are similar in size, mass and gravity. The angle between the hour hand and the minute hand at 3 o'clock is A. 45 degrees, B. 90 degrees, C. 120 degrees. Correct answer. 90 degrees. At 3 o'clock, the hands form a perfect right angle. The metaverse is mainly associated with A. Space travel, B. Virtual reality, C. Climate change. Correct answer. Virtual reality. Metaverse is a 3D virtual world where users interact digitally. Which law explains why a balloon expands when heated? A. Boyle's law, B. Charles' law, C. Newton's law. Correct answer. Charles' law. Volume of gas increases with temperature at constant pressure. What is deforestation? A. Planting more trees, B. Removal of forests, C. Forest fires. Correct answer. Removal of forests. Deforestation refers to clearing forests for agriculture, industry or housing. The plural of crisis is A. Crisis, B. Crises, C. Crises. Correct answer. Crisis. Words ending in is changed to es in plural. Which of these is not a renewable energy source? A. Wind, B. Solar, C. Coal. Correct answer. Coal. Coal takes millions of years to form. What is the scientific term for the study of birds? A. Entomology, B. Ornithology, C. Botany. Correct answer. Ornithology. Ornis means bird in Greek. Which part of the human brain controls balance? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla. Correct answer. Cerebellum. The cerebellum coordinates balance and posture. The Earth's rotation causes A. Day and night, B. Seasons, C. Ocean tides. Correct answer, day and night. Rotation on its axis creates day and night cycles. Identify the part of speech, hurry up. A. Verb. B. Adverb. C. Interjection. Correct answer, interjection. It's an expression of emotion or urgency. The United Nations was founded in which year? A. 1940. B. 1945. C. 1950. Correct answer, 1945. The UN was established in 1945 after World War II to promote peace. Which acid is present in lemon? A. Acetic acid. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Citric acid. Correct answer, citric acid. It gives lemons their sour taste. The sum of angles in a triangle is always A. 90 degrees. B. 180 degrees. C. 360 degrees. Correct answer, 180 degrees. A triangle's three interior angles always add up to 180 degrees. This is known as the angle sum property of a triangle. The G20 summit in the year 2023 was hosted by A. Japan, B. India, C. Indonesia. Correct answer, India. Held in New Delhi with theme One Earth, One Family, One Future. A man facing north turns 270 degrees clockwise. Which direction is it facing now? A. East, B. South, C. West. Correct answer, West. 270 degrees clockwise from north points west. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? A. Tenzing Norgay, B. Edmund Hillary, C. Both A and B. Correct answer, both A and B. They both reached the summit together in the year 1953. Choose the correct spelling. A. Accommodate. B. Accommodate. C. Accommodate. Correct answer, accommodate. It has double C and double M. What type of mirror is used in torches? A. Plane mirror. B. Concave mirror. C. Convex mirror. Correct answer, concave mirror. It focuses light into a parallel beam. Which number is a prime number? A. 21. B. 27. C. 19. Correct answer, 19. 19 has no factors other than 1 and itself. Which of these is a vector quantity? A. Speed. B. Distance. C. Velocity. Correct answer, velocity. Velocity has both magnitude and direction. The internet was originally developed for A. Education. B. Military communication. C. Entertainment. Correct answer, military communication. The ARPANET project was a US defense network that led to the internet. Which phenomenon makes a pencil appear bent in water? A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Diffraction. Correct answer, refraction. Light bends at the water-air interface. The Dead Sea is called so because A. No fish can live in it. B. It is underground. C. It is always frozen. Correct answer. No fish can live in it. Its high salt content prevents any aquatic life from surviving. Which word means the same as brief and to the point? A. Verbose. B. Concise. C. Elaborate. Correct answer. Concise. Concise means short but complete in meaning. A number divisible by both 2 and 3 must also be divisible by A. 5, B. 6, C. 9. Correct answer. 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is equal to 6. The only country with a flag featuring a building is A. Cambodia, B. Greece, C. Mexico. Correct answer. Cambodia. Its flag shows Angkor Wat, the country's iconic temple complex. Which wonder is known as the lost city of the pharaohs? A. Heracleion, B. Thebes, C. Memphis. Correct answer. Heracleion. Heracleion sank into the Mediterranean Sea and was discovered in the year 2000. The purest form of water is obtained by A. Filtration, B. Sedimentation, C. Distillation. Correct answer. Distillation. Distillation removes both dissolved solids and impurities. The World Environment Day is celebrated on A. 5th June, B. 22nd April, C. 10th October. Correct answer. 5th June. Declared by the UN to raise environmental awareness globally. What is the lightest metal? A. Sodium, B. Aluminium, C. Lithium. Correct answer. Lithium. Lithium is the lightest solid element. Which country hosts the world's largest ice hotel every winter? A. Norway, B. Sweden, C. Canada. Correct answer. Sweden. Sweden's ice hotel in Kukasavi is rebuilt every year from snow and ice. If you love quizzes, like, share and subscribe. How many did you get right? Comment below. Keep quizzing with Quiz Hub.